Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi and welcome back to Giggles. Today in this video, I'll tell you how to make mango and apple kiwi smoothie at home. That these two smoothies have amazing benefits that helps in your weight loss and it is a very good option for your breakfast too. Let's start with the mango smoothie first. The ingredients are 1 mango, 1 glass coconut water I have taken from the raw fresh coconut, 1 cup curd, low fat curd. You can even buy real active coconut water from the market that do not contain any preservative. Why I'm saying here coconut water? Because it had lots of benefits. It is very good for your skin, your hair, and it contains electrolytes that prevents the body from dehydration during summers. Else you can take a glass of water if you do not have coconut water at home. Now start peeling off the mango. Eating seasonal fruits reduces the risk of many health related problems. As mango is the king of fruits, especially during summers, it is also a storehouse of essential nutrients. If taken in right quantity, one mango a day, and that too during breakfast meal, that is before 11 a.m., it will help you in weight loss. But at the same time, eating too many mangoes can lead to your weight gain also. Now, when you have peeled off your mango, cut the mango into bigger or smaller pieces and transfer in a mixer grinder in which you have to make your smoothie. After that, add 1 glass of water, you can say, or coconut water if you have, and 1 cup of low fat curd. Now, close the lid and blend it for 4 to 5 minutes till the mango has been blended completely in a fine smooth paste. Mangoes have lots of benefits. It helps in digestion as it is rich in fiber and water content. It also contains vitamin K, which improves bone health as it is rich in calcium. It also promotes good eyesight. It not only increases the immune system and also prevents the heart diseases as the fiber, potassium and vitamin content keeps the heart healthy. It is also very good for your skin and your hair. Your mango smoothie is ready, guys. Have it in your breakfast as it is a complete meal in itself. Now for the garnishing, you can add almonds on the top that I have thinly sliced. Enjoy this yummy breakfast at home. Now let's start with the second smoothie, that is apple kiwi smoothie. This smoothie is super delicious. It's sweet, fresh and hydrating too. The ingredients are 1 apple, 2 small oranges for orange juice, a bit of kala namak, a teaspoon honey, and 1 cup water. You can even take coconut water, else you can take almond milk, that is non-dairy product. The recipe is given in the description box. Now to start with, cut the apple. You can even peel off the skin of the apple, but I'll not be doing here because I like the textured smoothie. If you want plain smoothie, then you can peel off the skin from the apple. The ingredients are ready here. Apple and half cup orange juice plus 1 kiwi I'll be adding. This apple kiwi smoothie has lots of benefits. Why I like to discuss the benefits? Because making any dish without knowing its benefits is of no use. So this smoothie too has fiber, vitamin C, iron, magnesium. You will find them all in this amazing health cocktail. Now add half cup orange juice, 1 cup water and 1 teaspoon honey to your smoothie and a bit of kala namak. After that, you can add 1 kiwi to it, cut it into fine pieces and transfer in your mixer grinder. This apple kiwi smoothie has all the health benefits that you could imagine. It gives inflammatory power and antioxidant boost to keep you healthy and strong. And yes, not to forget, it makes your skin glowing like never before. So blend your smoothie for 4 to 5 minutes till all the mixture has been completely blended. If you want to have plain smoothie, you can peel off the skin from the apple that I have not done here. Now you can transfer in your glass. See, it is the textured smoothie because of the apple peel. So your apple kiwi smoothie is ready, guys. Serve and enjoy. Trust me guys, these two smoothies has not only amazing health benefits but will also help in your weight loss. If you like my video, hit the like button and click on subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of the regular updates I post here.